You get the vaccine.
Oh, I'm just a real multi-billion-dollar corporation. I better listen.
Good. Now you get it.
Oh, I'm just a legal scholar intellectual. What kind of fight could I put up? Oh, thank you.
Good. Now you get it.
Oh, I'd rather not, eh?
What?
Yeah, I don't think I'll be doing that or nothing.
Get the shot.
No, yeah, no. Don't want to do that.
You have to.
Yeah, no.
Do it!
No.
Do it!
No.
Do it!
No, don't think I'll be doing that.
Do it!
Oh, I think I'm just gonna sit in my truck till you learn some manners there, mister.
You're not the only big, strong man here. Move! Move it! Stop! Stop! You! Make him move!
Oh, yeah, I'd rather not, eh?
Ah! That's it! You're going to make me use my rape whistle!
Look at that. We made old Blackface into Redface. Oh, ain't that for sure. That's a good one, Harry.